Hey guys, how you doing? Jack Scalfani here, Cooking with Jack show, and we've had some fun with a lot of these videos. This one here is supposed to be a really good one. I love the name. It's called Cream Cheese Crack Chicken. That's right, and we're gonna do it in the Ninja Foodie. Take it easy. There's no crack cocaine in this recipe. That's just the name of the chicken. You got chicken. You got some cheddar cheese sliced. Got some cream cheese. You got the sweet Hawaiian rolls. You've got the ranch packet right here of seasoning mix. You got some shredded cheddar. Then you got some garlic powder and then some bacon. Wait, hold on. And bacon. And bacon. And bacon. All right, now I'm ready. Okay, before we start adding everything into the Ninja Foodie, let me talk to you. So, I know that you can convert any slow cooker recipe to a pressure cooker recipe. But the one thing I didn't take into consideration is this recipe has no liquid. So I'm taking a chance right now. I could ruin the entire video and it could taste absolutely awful. So I have to take a minimum half cup of liquid and put it in the Ninja Foodie, even if I was slow cooking, which I'm not. I'm pressure cooking. So I'm going to take this chicken bone broth because we're doing chicken and cream cheese and shredded cheese and everything else. So let's put the liquid in first, because if not, you'll burn everything in the pressure cooker. Okay, you guys understand what I'm doing here? I'm altering the recipe. So I'm putting chicken, half a cup, chicken bone broth, okay? You can do regular chicken stock or broth or whatever you want. Okay, before we start adding everything into the Ninja Foodie, let me talk to you. So I know that you can convert any slow cooker recipe to a pressure cooker recipe. But the one thing I didn't take into consideration is this recipe has no liquid. So I'm taking a chance right now. I could ruin the entire video and it could taste absolutely awful. So I have to take a minimum half cup of liquid and put it in the Ninja Foodie, even if I was slow cooking, which I'm not. I'm pressure cooking. So I'm going to take this chicken bone broth because we're doing chicken and cream cheese and shredded cheese and everything else. So let's put the liquid in first, because if not, you'll burn everything in the pressure cooker. Okay, you guys understand what I'm doing here? I'm altering the recipe. So I'm putting chicken, half a cup, chicken bone broth, okay? You can do regular chicken stock or broth or whatever you want. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is put in our chicken pieces.
No tongs. We're going to put them in a bowl for you.
So just go ahead and dump them in. Here, I'll do. I don't care. Whatever you recommend, honey. There we go. Getting our 3 chicken breasts in here. Or I think we're doing 4 today. But the recipe will be down below. Don't worry about it. Alright, chicken's in there. Chicken bone broth's in there. Now let's take our shredded cheddar. I love cheese. I was almost used half that bag, by the way. But anyway, which will make it even better. Then we're going to take our cream cheese and dump that in there. Then we're going to take our ranch packet. And a lot of slow cooker and pressure cooker recipes are using ranch seasoning. Okay, then our garlic powder. We're sprinkling that in there. Then we're going to put the pressure cooker lid on this. I always have trouble. Just give me 1 second. There we go. The Instant Pot and the Food Ninja go the same way, and I don't know why I keep forgetting. Make sure your valve is closed. So twist the valve to seal, okay? And then put this thing on for 20 minutes and check it, okay? All right, before we get started, I just want to show you something I got for Christmas. You guys remember me talking about this? This deflects the steam. So when I open up that valve, the steam normally goes straight up and hits my microphone, and I don't want that. It hits my pots and pans, it hits the ceiling, and all that heat goes straight up on this. So this deflects the heat. So what you want to do is, what you don't want to do is point it right at you when you open the vent. to where it'll hit you. So you put it on like this. I've never put it on before. And then you can turn to the side. This is going to take me a few minutes to learn how to attach this, but it attaches right onto this lever, okay? And it's just so you can direct the heat. So when I open the valve, it's going to spray that way. All right, guys? This is kind of a valve deflector. It's made out of silicone, won't melt, and it'll protect your ceiling and pots and pans and cabinets and whatever. All right? So we'll see you guys in 20. Okay, when something goes wrong on the show, I like to talk about it. So let me tell you what happened. So this device didn't work. This was leaving the valve open. It would not let the valve seal on my pressure cooker, which made my chicken broth evaporate out of the machine. I had to put another half cup of chicken broth in the machine to build it to pressure again. So that happened and worked perfectly. Once again, I don't recommend using one of these devices because this one failed. I bought this. It was only like $7. So the next step you're going to do is let the pressure out, and then you're going to chop up the chicken that's in there and then mix it with the cheese and the cream cheese and everything else. So you can take the chicken out, use scissors, or you can use 2 forks inside this, but be careful not to scratch your interior bowl. All right, so we've already chopped up the chicken and mixed everything in with the cheese and everything. It's all in here, and we'll give you a shot of it in a minute. But right now, we're going to take a cookie sheet and toast these buns on our broiler. You can do it on a hot pan, as long as it get lightly toasted, because this is very wet, so you want it to absorb this. This is going to be really, really good. I can smell it. So get this in the oven and get it toasted. Let me show you what this goodness looks like. That's what it looks like. All right, so grab your cheese, place it right on the bottom. Get a scoop of your chicken mixture. Don't worry if it kind of goes all over the place. It's supposed to. Just ooze everywhere. Look at that. All over that cheese. A cheesy sauce all over the cheese. Then take your crumbles and start putting bacon all over it. There we go. And then take your roll, top it off just like that. And there you go. It's going to be real messy. Okay, I'm going to give this a try, but I'm going to open the bun. I'm not eating the bun today. You can have it in a bun. You can have it on a potato. You can put this mixture on nachos. Do whatever you want. But let's give the chicken a try. Here we go. That cheesy mixture is to die for. It is unbelievable with the bacon. Unbelievable. So you can eat this just in a bowl by itself. Put it on a hoagie. Just enjoy it however you want to enjoy it. That is so simple and so good. Okay, guys. Make your alterations. Write me and let me know through social media what you did differently. You can make this a little spicy. You can make it with beef. I bet you could do beef in a brown gravy and do a beef broth when you put it in the pressure cooker. That'd be awesome. All right? Let me know what you do to it. In the meantime, I will see you on the next episode, and we'll have something even better. Love you guys.